Hello, I'm coming to you today from Anvil Analytics and Insights, and today I wanted to talk about sampled data in Google Analytics. So if you are anywhere close to the 10 million hit limit that Google Analytics imposes, one of the things that may start happening is that your data will become sampled. Some cases we've seen this so dramatically that you're only seeing up to like 5% of your data, which makes it really hard to drive valuable insights from that. So to know if your data is being sampled, you can come up here to this green check mark. If your data is not sampled, it will be green. If your data is sampled though, it's going to be yellow. So then if it is yellow, the first thing that you're going to want to know is by how much are you over that hit limit. So you can come up here to your property settings and you can look in the property hit volume section. So you're going to want to look at the last 30 days and see where you stand there. If you're close to the 10 million hit limit, we need to start evaluating how we're using some of those hits. The biggest way that we can help eliminate some of these hits is going back through and looking at some of the events that we have firing. So if you have events firing like scroll depth and it's firing on 25% of the page, a lot of times that fires before a user scrolls at all because 25% of the page is above the fold. So going back and reviewing some of those events like that, seeing what we need and if the firing frequency is correct, that's going to be super important. Now, for the much larger sites, it is possible that you could just be over that 10 million hit limit. If that's the case, you will need to purchase Google Analytics 360 to avoid that sampling issue that you're seeing in the free version of Google Analytics. So hopefully that helps. If you want to continue receiving more content updates from us, definitely make sure you subscribe to our newsletter on our site. And like I said, if you found this helpful, give us a like at the bottom too.